What's cracking, everyone? My name is Ryan, and today I want to talk to you guys about affiliate links. Do I use them? Do I not use them? And I better not abuse them. All right, so I want to get one thing out of the way right now, and that is when I first started this channel, I had one rule that I was going to follow, and that was I will never make a video about a product to make money off of that product or to make money off of you. And that has been my biggest confliction with affiliate links, and it still is today, and it's the reason why I'm doing this video. I do have an affiliate that I work with. That affiliate is Meze Audio. This started back when I did my review of the Meze 99 Classic. It was one of the first headphones that I reviewed on this channel. I actually reached out to Meze, told them I wanted to buy it off of them, and I did buy it from their website. And I told them I was going to do a review. I'm a new reviewer. They watched it. They liked the review, which was awesome. And they said, hey, by the way, would you like to be an affiliate with Meze? If you like other products in the future, that's something we can collaborate with. I was excited. I thought, why not? You know, this was not something I was trying to make money for, but hey, if I'm going to be able to review some Meze products, that's cool. Because I was excited to do the product reviews. I was excited to work with a company like Meze. And that's the first thing. I have to have trust in a company. I have trust in Meze. I've met them at Cayin Jam. Very nice people. They know I don't always agree with things about their products. Watch my Lyric 2 video if you don't believe me there. Now, to continue to be transparent on this, I've had other companies, and I'm not going to put anybody on blast. These are smaller companies, mind you, that have reached out to me to do product reviews for them. I remember one said, you know, we'll send you a $50 gift card if you give us your positive product review. And don't forget to put blah, blah, blah in the description. I didn't even reply to him. I just deleted the email and was like, no, I'm not doing that. Okay, $50 gift card. I'm a small channel. Don't forget that. So I'm growing. But you get what I'm saying. I don't do this to make money. Or let me rephrase that. I do this to make money as well. I enjoy doing this, but I don't tell you anything positive about a product because I want to make money off of it. That's what I will not and do not do. Yes. So going forward, my view on affiliate links are simply this. It's not my choice. It's yours. And I know that may sound weird, but it is. Whether or not I use an affiliate link, first of all, I am going to tell you about it. But second, if you don't want to use it, don't use it. You know, I can't tell you how many YouTubers that I watch and I enjoy their content and they have affiliate links and I've never used one. Even though I may like the YouTuber, I'm always looking for whether it's the best price or the company I trust from buying from. That's what I care about. But if there's somebody that I really appreciate and really like their video and maybe I want to buy the product and maybe it's from the right place that I'm going to buy it from, sure, then I'll absolutely use it. And that is my goal of using affiliate links for this channel, is that if you want to support me, use the affiliate link. I got to tell you guys, all of this, lighting, camera, audio, editing, B-roll, all of that, it takes a lot of time and it does take money. And this is just a side hobby. This is not my career, but something else personal about me you guys need to know is I am always challenging myself to be better. No matter what it is I do, I want to always continue to grow. And if I can't continue to grow, I get frustrated with it. And that's how I am with this channel. If you ever watched my first video, which, you know, if you want to watch it, go right ahead. But if you ever watch that first video to where I am today, I would hope that you would see the growth that I've had. And I'm not talking about just the money I've spent on lighting and equipment and things, but I mean myself, my presentation, you know, the research that I try to do into products and how I explain that to all of you. I would hope you would see that. And right now I'm realizing some of my limitations truly is on some of the gear that I use, not the audio gear, but I'm talking about this gear here and things that I want to do. I can't with what I currently have. And so making money through YouTube and making money through my Patreon, which big shout out to my Patreon subscribers so far, and affiliate links is going to help this channel to continue to grow. And so with that, I want to tell you right now, my next affiliate is with Audio 46. Probably comes as no big surprise because I've been working with them for quite a while. I met them at Cayin Jam, you know, personally with some of the people that work there, Audio 46. I think they're a stand-up company for everything I've seen. And so I have zero problems using their affiliate link, which really is just a product code that I will be putting on videos. And so you kind of get where I'm going. It's never going to be something blind for me. I got to really know who I'm collaborating with and trust at least who I'm collaborating with. And believe me, if that trust is ever broken, I'm done. I'm moving on to somebody else, and I will either let you guys know or you just will stop seeing those links at the bottom of my video. So, I would say if you're watching a product reviewer and they're telling you, you guys need to go buy this right now, go click on it, go click on this link and buy this right now. Pump the brakes. I would probably second guess that and think, okay, why are you pushing this so much? Oh, he's got an affiliate link. I get that, but that is not me. That's not what I'm going to do. So hopefully you understand that's why I have become okay with the use of affiliate links and the way that I approach the products that I like to review. That's kind of my stance on this. Why is this a video? Why did I decide to make this a video? Well, honestly, guys, I feel like I owe it to you. You are the audience watching me. You have to put some trust in me, I would think. And I definitely want to put trust in these companies, but I want you to be able to trust me. I am somebody that probably trusts too many people by default. It's just the way I'm built. It's the way I'm made. I'm also a very honest person. That's also the way I'm built and the way I'm made. And even though it may seem like I give a lot of positive comments about products, keep in mind, I truly believe a lot of products are positive or have a lot of positive things about them. And I have to remember that when I do the videos, because I'm not somebody that just wants to get up in front of a camera and just trash them. That's not my goal. Some people, that may be their goal. That's not my goal. That's not what this channel is going to be about. And so I rambled on there a little bit. I apologize for that, but this is just a very important topic to me. And I hope you make it through this video to watch that and to understand my point of view. And that's all I'm asking. Just understand my point of view. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and appreciated this. And I'm not going to tell you to like or dislike. I'm not going to tell you to subscribe or don't subscribe. I just want you to know where I stand. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.